In this video, you'll learn how to empty your OneDrive storage in just a few minutes so you can free up space and keep your account running smoothly. First, open your browser and go to onedrive.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your files, folders, and a clear view of your current storage usage. Next, identify the files taking up the most space. Click on Storage in the bottom left corner to see a breakdown of your usage by file type, helping you decide what to delete first to free up space. Now, navigate to the largest folders or files. Select the items you want to remove by clicking on them, or use Control and Shift to select multiple files at once for faster, more efficient bulk deletion. After that, click Delete at the top of the page. OneDrive will move all your selected files to the recycle bin. Make sure you've backed up anything important before deleting it permanently from your account. Once deleted, go to the Recycle bin in the left sidebar. Click Empty Recycle Bin at the top, and OneDrive will permanently remove the deleted files, instantly freeing up space in your storage. And that's it. Your OneDrive storage is now empty, ready to handle new files and projects